How to see chats on Snapchat without adding them. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can see the chats on Snapchat without adding them as your friend. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button as well. So let's begin. First thing first, open up your Snapchat app and just swipe right or tap on the chat section at the bottom. So there is a possibility that you could see the chat without actually adding that person. But what happens is, as you can see here, I have this person right here on my inbox and I've sent them a message. But what happens is I'm able to send them any messages, as many messages as I want. But what happens is they won't be able to see my messages until they add me back. So you can send as many messages as you want, or if there are any previous chats where you've sent messages without actually adding them, you will be able to send them any messages you want, but they won't be able to see it unless they add you back. So that is the thing in Snapchat. But what happens is if that person's profile is public, then you will be able to see their stories, their photos and videos. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you on the next video.